Let me ask you one thing. How many of you have ever stuck in solving? You're not alone. We all have those moments. Those days when self-doubt creeps in. But here is the truth. You have the power to shift everything. You can definitely guide yourself through your inner potential. And let's get into today's video that is on differential equations of first order and first degree. The topic today is, formation of the differential equations. So how to form this differential equations? So here we have to form the differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary constants. Here is the first question. Y is equal to c into e power sine inverse of x. And next one, second question here is y square is equal to x minus c whole cube. And the third question here is y is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. And fourth question here is y is equal to a x cube plus b x square. So here if you can observe, so here in this question c is the constant. In this question a and b are the constants. Here c is the constant. Here small a and small b are the constants. So here how to form this differential equations? We have to eliminate this one. How to eliminate? So we have to make a differentiation with respect to x. So if there is one constant, you have to make a differentiation with respect to ones. If there are two constants, you have to make a derivative for two times. If there are three, you have to make a derivative for three times. So here is the first question, that is we have to form the differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary constants. So here this is equation 1. So here is the solution, that y is given as c into e power sine inverse of x. So here, in order to eliminate this constant, we have to make a differentiation with respect to x. So in order to make the derivative, as it is so simple, for y this is dy by dx. So this value is dy by dx, and c is a constant. Leave it as it is. For e power x, this will be e power sine inverse of x, and again for sine inverse of x, this value is 1 by 1 minus x square. Clear? And now see here, I have to replace this one. C into e power sine inverse of x can be replaced by y from equation 1. So here, this value can be replaced by y from equation 1. So in this place, I am going to write dy by dx is equal to, this is y times of 1 by root over, this is 1 minus x square. See here, the constant c is eliminated and one time derivative it is remained. Therefore, so if I can send this to other side, this will be root over 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to y. And this value is the equation. So this is the differential equation. So this is the required differential equation after eliminating the constant c. So this is so simple. Two steps are there. So here we have to make a derivative, and after making the derivative, in place of this I am going to replace y, and therefore there is no constant here, and dy by dx is also achieved. Therefore we can write this as root over 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to y. And here is the second question here. So we have to form the differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary constants. So here what is given? Y square is given. Y square is equal to x minus c whole cube. And so here in the solution, there is only one constant. Therefore, I am going to make a differentiation with respect to x for one time. So here for y square, clearly it is 2y. So for x cube, this will be obviously 3 into x square. See here. So for y, again this is dy by, here it is dx. And now see here, I want the value of x minus c in order to place here. And therefore, I am sending this 3 to other side. So this will be 2y by 3 into dy by dx is equal to, the value here is x minus c whole square. And if you see here, I am sending this square to other side. Therefore, x minus c value is going to become 2 by 3y into dy by dx whole part. This is 1 by 2. And this is our x minus c value. See, I am going to substitute this x minus c value. This is equation 2 in equation 1. So what is our equation 1 here? So equation 1 is very clear as y square is equal to. So y square is equal to, this is x minus c whole cube. So this is equation 1, and in this I am going to substitute the value of x minus c as this one. So substitute the value of x minus c. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute the value of 2 in equation 1. Clear? And therefore, this value is going to become, so this value is y square. And what is x minus c? X minus c is this one, that is 2 by 3y into dy by dx whole to the power of half, and here it is whole cube here. So this value is simply x minus c value, and therefore this value is going to become, this is y square, this is 2 by 3 into dy by dx par. So here if I multiply, this will be 3 by 2, and here if I bring y outside, this will be 3 by 2. Clear? So if I send y square to other side, this is y square by y par 3 by 2 is equal to, this is 2 by 3 into dy by dx whole par, this value is 3 by 2. So if I send this 3 by 2 to the numerator, this will be 2 minus, this is 2 by 3, and this value is 2 by 3 into dy by dx, this is whole par, this value is 3 by 2. If I make a LCM with this, if I make an LCM, this will be 4 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to, this is 2 by 3 into dy by dx whole par, this value is 3 by 2. So this value is 4 minus 3 is 1, so this value is 1 by 2, this value is 2 by 3 into dy by dx whole par, this value is 3 by 2. So I am writing here as it is very simple thing. So y par half is equal to, this is 2 by 3 into, this value is dy by dx whole par, this value is 3 by 2. Now I have to make squaring on both sides. If I make squaring on both sides, so here this square and here whole square. So if I make a square, and square and half will got cancelled, and what remains here, so this will be y value is going to become, this is 2 by 3 into dy by dx whole cube is left over. So y value is, what is 2 cube here? 8, and what is 3 cube here? This is 27. So this value is dy by dx whole cube, and therefore dy by dx whole cube value is equal to, this is 27 by 8 into y. So this is the differential equation formed after eliminating the constant. So this is the differential equation formed after eliminating constant C. So this is how we have to solve. This is also so simple, so important. And the next question here is, form the differential equation by eliminating the constants y is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. So here, what is the question given here? Y is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power x. So this is equation number 1. So in this equation, we have to make a derivative for twice. So differentiate with respect to x. So why we have to make a derivative for 2 times, as there are 2 constants here. So here for y, the value, the derivative here is y dash, a into, for e power x is again e power x. So here b is a constant. For e power minus x, the value here is e power minus x. For minus x, the value here is minus 1. So I am writing minus here. And again we have to make a derivative. Differentiate with respect to x for one more time, as we have to make a derivative for twice, as there are 2 constants. So this will be double dash, and this value is a into e power x. So this is b constant. E power minus is x is again e power minus s, and again we have minus 1 here. So as there is minus 1, so this value is going to become plus. If you observe equation 1, a into e power x plus b into e power minus x value is y according to 1. So from equation 1, so a and b can be replaced by equation 1. So this value I am going to write it as y, and therefore y double dash minus y is equal to 0, and this is the differential equation formed. So this value is the differential equation formed after eliminating the 2 constant a and b. If there are 2 constant, it will be y double dash. If there is 1 constant, it will be y dash. And here is the last question. Here, form the differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary constants. Y is equal to ax cube. See here, ax cube plus bx square. And here, this is the question. And there are 2 constants here, small a and small b. And name it as equation 1. And in the solution, first of all, we have to make a derivative differentiation with respect to x for 2 times. So if I make a derivative for first time, so this will be y dash, and for x cube this will be 3x square a, and here for x square the value here is 2x into b, and this is equation 2. And again if I make a derivative differentiation with respect to x, again if I make a differentiation with respect to x, then see here this y dash will become y double dash, and x square will become, see here this is 2x into a, and here for x it is 1, so I am writing 1 here into b, and this is going to become y is equal to 6xa plus 2 into b, and this is equation number 3. Now we have to eliminate the constant. For eliminating the constants, for eliminating the constants, see here, so there are three equations here if you observe. The first equation here is y, so this value is y minus ax cube minus bx square is equal to 0, and here the second equation here will be, this is y dash minus 3x square a minus this is 2xb is equal to 0, and the next equation here is y double dash minus 6xa minus 2b is equal to 0. And now I'm using the determinant value. See here, this is determinant, and see the value here will be, the first value here is y, and see here the quotient of a is minus x cube, and the quotient of b is nothing but minus x square. So here this value is y dash, the quotient of x is minus 3x square, and the quotient of b is minus 2x. And see here this value is y double dash, the quotient of a is minus 6x, and the quotient of b is 2, and this is going to become 0. So if you find the determinant, then we are going to eliminate the constants here. So here this is y times of, so y times of AD minus BC, this is minus 2 into minus 3 is a 6, and this is x square minus, so if you multiply this is 12x square, so minus, so already there is minus here, x cube into, so we have to close this row as well as this column, and if you multiply this one, this will be 2 minus 2 y dash, and this is minus, already there is minus here, plus 2xy double dash, and see here this is minus x square into, you have to close this row as well as column, if you multiply these two, this will be minus 6xy dash minus, there is already minus here, plus this value is 3x square y double dash, value is equal to 0. Clear? So if I multiply these two, so this will be 6x square y minus 12x square y minus 2x cube y dash, and this is 2x power 4 y double dash, and if I multiply this will be 6x cube y dash, and this is minus 3, this value is x power 4 y double dash is equal to 0. So as they are y double dash for 2 times, so here I am going to write this as, this is minus 3 plus 2. The value here will be minus 1. So minus x power 4 into y double dash. And if you can see y dash value, so this is y dash and this value is y dash. This is a 6x cube minus 2x cube. The value here will be, this value will be, this value is 4x cube y dash. And here if you can see, this is the quotient of y, 6x square minus 12x square, the value here I am going to write as 6x minus 6x square y is equal to 0, and therefore, so here if I multiply with minus, this will be x power 4 y double dash minus 4x cube, this value is y dash, plus this is a 6x square y is equal to 0, and this is the differential equation. So this is the differential equation formed after eliminating the constants a and b, and this is how we have to solve. This is so simple. This is the equation given. The first derivative is this one, second derivative is this one. So these are the three, so these are the three equations. So in order to eliminate A, B, C, so we have to take the constants of A as well as B, and we have to find out the determinant, and this will be the final differential equation formed after eliminating A and B. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. So I'll be uploading each and every problem from the textbook for your easy preparation, even though you don't carry textbook also. If you go through the playlist one video after the other video, then your whole syllabus will be completed. So wherever you are, so whatever the time might be, whenever you feel like reading or studying or practicing, just go through, watch this video and just practice well, and definitely your preparation will be damn easy. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting this channel. If you really like this channel, so you know what to do. Please raise your thumb, pass it on to as many friends as you can, and that is the greatest help needed to this. Thank you.